Are you drowning in a sea of AI? A new tool launches every hour. Every website promises to be the one that will change everything. You've spent hours watching reviews, signed up for countless free trials, and you're still stuck. You don't need another tool. You need the right tool. You need a solution, not another subscription. What if there was one place with the definitive answer? Welcome to Best AI 4. We're not here to give you another top 10 list. We are your workflow architects. We start with your problem, your goal, your project. And we designed the perfect AI stack to get you from concept to completion. We show you how to connect the best tools for analyzing data, for generating ideas, for building strategy, for solving problems you haven't even thought of yet. We cut through the hype to bring you honest, objective, and practical answers. With new videos daily, you'll always be ahead of the curve. Stop wasting time. Stop guessing. Turn the overwhelming noise of AI into your competitive advantage. Subscribe to Best AI 4, and let's start building.